Hey, little girl, you know you might call you. If me have to call you again, you know you're not gonna like it. Hey guys, it's your girl Majestie and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be listing the top 3 things Jamaican mothers say. So let's get into it. So let me set up a scenario for you, right? So, you know, it's one of them days, you're not really in the mood, but your mom's just kind of on you today, and she says something to you, and then the way you reply, you have a bit of attitude in your voice, and she ain't really here for it. So she turned around to you, and she said to you, "You must smell yourself." When a Jamaican mother says that to you, she clearly means, "Oh, so you think you're a big man now? You think you're a woman?" Or if it's a guy, "Oh, you think you're a big man now? You think you're a man of your house? You smell yourself." Clearly, what your mother is trying to say is you think you're grown now. Because what she thought is she's the only grown person in this house. You know, she's the only parent. So you must think you are grown now. But you see, the thing is, right? When them say you think you smell yourself, you know, God give me a nose, you know, and me never know, so me could have take off my nose and put it down, you know. So, yeah man, half the time me I smell things, and sometimes I have to smell myself to see if me green, but that I never a case, you know, because I always a beard, but, yeah man, God give me a nose for smell, you know. Right, saying number 2 is sort of a long one and it can be said in different ways, but I'm gonna say it like this. "Hey, little girl, you know you might call you. If me have to call you again, you know you're not gonna like it." So in another way, they're saying they don't like to repeat themselves. But I can justify this one a bit because I go through it daily. So, you call, I hear, I respond. Yeah. I don't hear anything. I respond again. Yeah. I still don't hear anything. 10 minutes later, I hear my name again. I respond. Yeah, it's almost as if on a call way, and then on a put on yourself on mute because on a not say nothing, and then when we not say nothing, right? No, matter of fact, we say something, but on no respond. So then when we not come, it's one big story now. If you see if you not come, you're not gonna like it, and but you never say nothing and you never want nothing. Half the time, you just want the remote. So what you bother me for that for? Sure. Okay, so we're there number 3 now. And you see this here one, yeah? You see when your mother said this to you, she have power, you know. And you know what? She might just do it if you push her to it. So you ready for your saying? Alright. Me bring you into this world, me can take you back out. You see when your mother said that to you? Boy, definition, alright. She give birth to you, she can bury you. She can take you back out. She can bury you. And you know, sometimes, me wish she just would, you know. Because me tired now, man. Sure. Me have to pay a bill. Me have to contribute to things. Me have to do adult things. And me not like it, you know. So, mommy, you can take me back out anytime you're ready, you know. Me not complain. Just do it and me sleep. So me not have to feel nothing. Cause me tired, man. Me tired. That was my top 3 things Jamaicans mothers say. I hope you enjoyed it. If you know any more, feel free to comment them in the comment section below. But before we end this video, I would like to do 2 shout outs. Now, starting from today and in my future videos, I will be shouting out some of my subscribers just to say, you know, thank you and I see your support. I always want to do a guy and a girl. So today, my lady subscriber is Kimmy Rose. Kimmy Rose, thank you so much for your support. You're always on my channel. Even if I don't upload, you're still watching my videos, you're commenting, you're liking, and I'm so thankful for it. And then my guy subscriber is Richard King. Every single video you are always commenting and I thank you so much. I thank you both for your support. Thank you, I appreciate it so much. So if you want to shout out, guys, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like, show me some support in my comment section, share the video of course, and I will choose my next 2 subscribers that I want to shout out in my next video. So once again, guys, thank you all for your support. I appreciate you all. I love you all. Thank you, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.